It's finally getting beautiful outside and we are having some summer. And it's nearing the end of August, but the garden's about a month late this year. We've had some really strange weather. The winter we had more rain than snow, which turned to a lot of ice. But if it keeps going that way, I'd actually rather the rain. But the icy weather has been hard to get through in the long winter because it's, snow, you can go skiing or walk on it, but the ice has been really bad. But we've kind of had a mild spring, but then it got cold again, and now finally summer is here and the garden's blooming. So I'll give you a little tour around the garden here in August. Finally have some stuff growing. You're going to get a little wind today. It's a little breezy here. But my rhododendron has really picked up in green growth. Had a lot of flowers earlier, but it's late for the flowers now. And the Josta, which is a cross between a blackcurrant and a gooseberry plant, was loaded down with berries. I'm after picking some, and the robins raided it and took a lot of my berries. But, I guess they needed it too. And the wildflower pollinator garden is doing well. It's always evolving into different flowers that are coming out. We now have the gooseneck loosestrife, which is absolutely beautiful. Love it. I see a little ant there crawling around on that one. And there's some aconitum back here. This is a bicolor one. Monkshood. This is a very poisonous plant, but it's still a beautiful plant. And we have some yellow loosestrife back there. And this is the variegated goutweed, which makes a nice ground cover. Many of the plants are already gone to seed. The geranium has finished flowering. We have some St. John's wort here, and that's going to seed as well. You see the seed pods forming where the flowers used to be. And there's one that's still in flower here, St. John's wort. And the grapevines are doing well, but I think I may take out two. I have 4 grapevines. I might take out the ones that are growing here on the trellises and move my raspberries that are back in the shade out front. Let's take a little skirt around here. And we have daylilies coming. Some beautiful different varieties mixed in here. Daylilies. Have some birds chirping in the background there. And this is Bob, our big, big willow. I cut back this grapevine here. This one wasn't doing very well because it wasn't getting much sunshine. I cut this one back and I was a little aggressive with it, but I'm sure it'll come back fine next year because we are getting some grapes up there. If we get a good late September and October, we might just be able to harvest some grapes. So for the rest of the garden tour, I'm just going to let you listen to the sounds and show you around at what's growing.